I just took her on a full bike ride, the one we usually go to, and then I realized it wasn't recording. So I'm just gonna go back from the path, not from the past, from the path, and this is the backwards one. Okay. So how this all started was, well, today I'm going to be showing you Cleo on her bike ride, coming back from her bike ride. But tomorrow I'll take you guys on a walk with us. There's a little bit of running a little bit, so most of it will be calm. I hope you guys can hear me. This video might be kind of crummy because of the wind, but other than that, it should be fine. So, how this all started, it's a kind of a funny story how it started. It was like a couple weeks ago, and I really wanted to take Cleo on a bike ride, but it wasn't my birthday yet, so I didn't have a basket. Really bored, there was nothing to do, so I'm like, Cleo, we're gonna go on a bike ride, nothing else to do, we're gonna do it. So I tried to figure out a way how to do it. I didn't have a basket, so it was kind of complicated at first. But then, I don't know if I invented it, but I was just like, you know, Cleo, it's too hard. Trying to do it a way you're not scared. Hopefully you're not scared. I'm bored. There's nothing to do. So I just picked her up. I had no basket. So I'm like, Cleo, hopefully you won't be scared. When she's scared, her claws get out. So I made sure she wasn't scared because I wouldn't make her do something if she was scared. And I know she's not scared right now because you might hear the nails scratching at first, but she's relaxed right now and stuff. But so I picked her up. I felt her nails. She was scared. She wasn't. So I picked her up. And Mom saw me. She's like, Jeffrey, we really need to get a basket. So for my birthday, I got a basket because that was my #1 thing. I just started this video channel yesterday, so I really didn't ask for a camera. I just thought of the idea like a couple weeks ago. Like a week after my birthday, so it was kind of too late to ask. But if I knew, I would have started a YouTube channel. I would have asked for a camera. But so I put Cleo in. She was relaxed, and I just started riding with her every day. So that's kind of how it went. First, and then this is where I started my YouTube channel, and my dad made the username, so it might be like, I think it's like 80047, 047, I think. But I'm gonna ask my dad if I can change it to Cleo's Silly Adventures. I could take adventures, and sometimes I'll do just random stuff of like, I'll put like a headset on Cleo. She'll be eating her food or something like that. And so we're done with that bike ride. The way back from the bike ride. So Cleo, how you feeling? Feeling good? Yeah? So Cleo's feeling good. Let's go outside. So guys, that was another one of Cleo's silly adventures. We'll see you tomorrow on a walk. Bye-bye.